Hello my friends, how is everybody doing out there on this beautiful morning? So today we are doing something a little different, so we'll get into it in a second. So today we're gonna stop at my favorite store, Wawa. I love this store. The food is awesome, coffee's good, but that is not the reason we're going in there. And once I park and get inside, I will show you why we're going in there. Let's see what the gas prices are today here at Wawa. It's crowded today. Damn. $4.87 for regular, $5.99 for diesel. Damn. Alright. Be back when we head inside. Let's see, where can I park? Where can I park? Let's head into Wawa. Take my gloves off. Is this thing working? Oh, come on, man. The lottery machine is not working. It's ruining my plans here. Damn. That's all I wanted. I want lottery. Can't get lottery. Gosh darn it. Alright guys, that totally ruined my video. Lottery machine was down, not working. So here's what I'm going to tell you. My plan was to go in there and buy $10 in Mega Ball. Now Mega Ball is like, I think it's going for like 350 million or some astronomical number like that. And I'm gonna have to get some later. But if I were to win the Mega Ball, if I were to win that 300 and something million dollars, I had plans. I thought about this while I was sitting in my truck today, driving down the turnpike. And I'll tell you what my plans are, just because. So, after I buy the Mega Ball tickets, and if I hit this lottery, what we are going to do is, I'm sure a lot of you people out there heard of VAM, Virginia Motor Meetup. We're going to do a PAM. We're going to do a PA Motor Meetup. And me, with my Mega Ball winnings, that's only if I win the Mega Ball now. Got to get that shit straight. I'm going to rent out a hotel for the weekend. So if this happens, you stay right there. So if this happens, anybody that wants to come to the PA Motor Meetup, PAM, we're going to call it, can stay at the hotel for free. I'm going to rent out the whole fucking place, and we're going to have a party. So, and we're going to just ride the area. We're going to eat, we're going to drink, and we're just going to have a blast. We're just going to have a good time. So that's my plans. So if y'all want to wish me luck, or if y'all know some black magic that can give me the win. It'll benefit all y'all out there. I figure, you know, put you guys up in a hotel for a couple days, cater a big feast for everybody. Like I said, ride the local roads. How you doing, buddy? Don't wave. It's all right. It's cool. Ride the local roads and just have a party. A party. A big party. So that's my feelings. That's my thoughts. Throwing it out there to you if I win the mega ball. Alright? If I win the mega ball. I think that sounds like a fair deal. Don't y'all? So, wish me luck. I'll just stop on the way to work tonight and get some tickets. So we can maybe win and maybe have Pam. Alright, my friends. This is where I'm going to end this video. So, you all please stay safe. Love one another. Peace.